Hello, all. Good evening, and welcome to Pathway Infotech. So, I'm going to conduct a demo for new SAP FSCM batch, which is on 22nd of February 2025. So, very soon I'm going to announce the time. So, it would be morning. So, let us have a look at the syllabus which I'm going to cover in the session. Then after that, about that current batch also where we are. So first, let's have a look at here the syllabus here. What I'm going to cover. So as usual here. So the first part would be a cash and liquidity management. So in this cash and liquidity management, how the electronic bank statement is going to integrated with the cash management and also the liquidity management, planning levels, planning types. So what is the memory card, how the memory cards are being created by automatically. So what is one exposure concept? So how to set up the multiple applications in order to bring the data into one exposure. So this is the first topic. Then after that, I'm going to start the treasury. So in the treasury money market, basic configuration of the treasury, then market data management, then after that interest rates, securities prices, commodity prices, statical data. So these are all will comes under basic configuration as part of treasury. Once the basic setup will be available, I'm going to start money market. So in the money market, the instruments, there are various instruments are there: fixed term deposit, deposit notice. So according to that, which I'm going to take in the money market instruments. Now, so the month-end activities, what are the month-end activities which are involved in the money market? Then the settlements, accrual deferral postings, then how to transfer the current, non-current to current transfer. Okay, understand of the PMP, what is the position management procedure. So what is the Swift messages, how to configure the correspondence framework. So basically the correspondence which will be used for to counter confirmation, we must have to transfer this to the counterparty. Then these are the instruments which I am going to cover in the money market. Then Forex, in the Forex, you can see here spot transaction, forward contract, rollover forward, premature settlement, netting of the forward contract, non-deliverable forward contract. Then correspondence is a common for even foreign exchange also for the counter confirmation purpose. Then once the foreign exchange will be completed, then I'm going to take a securities. So this is the next topic would be. So in the securities, so shares, mutual funds, bonds, fixed bonds, variable bonds, and as well as month-end activities, securities class, then how to create the custodian account like a demat account, corporate action, okay, dividend scenario, how dividend will be captured, and understanding of the PMP, then correspondence framework. So these are the topics which are listed in the securities. Once the securities will be completed, then derivatives. In the derivatives, caps, floors, interest rate swaps, cross currency swaps, currency options, futures and options. These are the topics I'm going to cover. Then after that, the next topic would be a trade finance. So in this trade finance, what is the business process and what is the letter of credit and bank guarantee? Also, how this letter of credit and bank guarantee, which is going to integrated with the material management and sales and distribution. So that also it will be included. So the once all this will be completed, the next topic will be a hedge management and the hedge accounting. So overview of the exposure management and what are the changes between ECC and S4HANA and how the raw exposure will be created and how the exposure will be analyzed by the system automatically by using the hedging cockpit. So there are different ways are there. So what is the snapshot functionality? How we need to take the snapshot functionality? So the process and as well as the configuration. So and also how the hedging will be performed with the designation, without designation. Either it's a end of the day process or it's a immediate designation. So that I am going to cover. Then also effective test and also retrospective test. So this also I'll show you. Then how the process will be takes place and how the accounting entries will be I mean, will be posted into the finance. So then after that, the next topic would be a commodity. So commodities overview, because the commodities also it's a part of the derivatives. So it must have to perform with the hedging because it comes under the risk management. So overview of the commodities, define commodities, commodity management functionalities. Okay, how the commodity, there are new changes in S4 HANA system, so how it is going to work. So all these topics will be covered in the commodities management. Then the mirror deals, then the treasury payments, important treasury reports, what are the reports are available. Once these topics will be completed, then risk management. So market risk analyzer, credit risk analyzer, cash flow analyzer, portfolio analyzer. So these are the topics will be part of in the risk management. Now coming to the part B of FSCM. So in this, basically the credit management, collections management and the credit management, how the DCD is going to work, what are the changes between ECC and S4 HANA. So how the DCD will be configured, document credit decision, how to block the orders, how we can release that orders, and then what are the changes between ECC and S4 HANA. Then after that, then collections management. So in the collections management, what is the organization structure of the collections management? So what is collections profile? Who is the person for the collection specialist and collections manager, collection strategies, basic strategies, all will be covered, and also work list. What is the BP role which should be associated for the collections management. So then auto collection rules assigned to the how we can assign this one. Then after that, the next topic would be a dispute management. How the dispute management will be configured and how the dispute case will be arranged, how we need to, how many ways are there in order to create a dispute case. So what is the resubmission, dispute profile, customer contact, promise to pay, auto dispute case creation, auto dispute case closure process. So all this will be covered in the sessions. Then after that, overview of the biller direct, then bank communication management, then what are the Fury apps in order to use if there is any specific topic, especially for the cash and liquidity management, and as well as the treasury payments for that, and also to create the trade requests, forex trade requests for that also. There are Fury apps are available, so definitely I will show you in the session. Then interview preparation in case if there are any open queries. So now these are the topics which I am going to cover in the session. Then apart from this, let's have a look at where we are in the current batch, because ongoing batch, the batch which was started in the month of September. Okay. So now the current batch as of now, sorry, as of now, if you can see here, the sessions which are completed around. So now you can see here, this is a drive to. So this session, each and every session which has been conducted is a everyday session and also 1.5 hour session. Now you can see 76 classes which are taken. So each session is a 1.5 hour session. So 1.5 hour means almost close to 114 hours, which I have already completed. Then the current ongoing topic is a hedging. Then it is going to complete very soon, hedging. After hedging completion, even commodities also I had already completed. Now, once the hedging will be completed, I am going to start the risk management. So the once the risk management will be completed, the rest topics, credit management, collections management, dispute management, BCM. These are the topics yet to complete. So these topics I am going to complete, and target date should be complete by end of this month. And also if there will be any delay, so I am going to take sessions Saturday, Sunday also. I mean, anyhow, up to the sessions will be Monday to Saturday only. In case if there will be any chance, then even I'll take some overtime. Then I'll complete the current batch by end of this month. So still we have the 20, around 19 sessions. So I'm sure we will get complete this batch. Then, so the demo will be organized on 22nd or 23rd. Okay, but as of now, I'm planning to take 22nd, or it might be if 22nd will not be possible, definitely it will be on 23rd. Once the demo will be conducted, then within a week of time, I'm going to start the new batch. So if anyone is looking for that, if anyone is have an interest, so please kindly contact the given number. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.